3 ways to keep vivid air from replacing your HVAC system. You'll never guess number 3. All right, number 1, professional routine maintenance. Yeah, you guessed that one's pretty simple. A&M done a study a little while back that showed a system that is professionally maintained will last 5 to 7 years longer than a system that's not. So having the filters changed, cleaning the coils, oiling the motors, testing refrigerant levels, having a professional cleaning every 6 months or so is going to prolong the life of that HVAC system. Okay, number 2, surge protection. If you're in an area where the electricity is a little sketchy, the power grid, we're not saying an area like Texas, a surge protector will help protect the electrical components of that HVAC system, your electrical motors like your compressors and fan motors, but also almost every AC system today has some type of a computer board or electronics on it, and those are susceptible to power surges and brownouts. So any kind of a surge protector on the inside and outside will help prolong the life of that HVAC system. All right, number 3, indoor air quality, VOCs, what they call volatile organic compounds. So units over the last 15 years or so have become very sensitive to chemicals that are inside the home. So you're going to be looking for if you do deep cleanings of your home once a month or once a week in some cases, if you have a maid service, the types of chemicals that are in your home is going to definitely affect the HVAC system. So Lysol, bleach, Comet, any the plug-ins that you put on the wall for scent, make the home smell fresh, or scented candles, all of that stuff puts off harsh chemicals. A lot of it's formaldehyde, but it will get into the airstream, get into the HVAC system, and those chemicals will eat away at the materials, the metal on the inside of the HVAC system. We're located here in Lido, and I was doing work last year over in Brook Hollow. And the gentleman told me, he said, well, we've had 2 evaporator coils in 5 years. Did I just, is this a bad unit? So you start doing some investigation. Well, the home was immaculate. They had some health issues. They wanted it extremely clean. They have a cleaning company comes in once a week. And so they had a lot of chemicals inside this house. To help prevent chemical buildup, whether you're in a traditional home or an encapsulated home, doesn't matter. If you know that you're cleaning, doing a deep cleaning, or you have a lot of chemicals in the home, run all of your exhausts. Run your bathroom exhaust, run your vents in your laundry room, run your vent for your cooktop, even if you're not cooking. Anytime you're going to be doing deep cleaning on the house, to get those chemicals out of the home and not allow them to get into the HVAC system, because they will eat away at the materials inside the HVAC system. If you have a encapsulated home, a foamed home, this is vital. This is very, very vital that you have some sort of exhaust vents in that home, not just for the bathrooms and the cooktop and things like that. You may need a standalone exhaust that comes on periodically and exhausts air out of that house. So those are the 3 ways to prevent or keep vivid air from having to replace your HVAC system sooner than what you should.